Welcome to a tutorial on importing your character from Adobe Mixamo and the animation into Blender 2D workflow. Once you log on to the Mixamo Adobe website, you'll be presented with a choice of characters from everything from cartoon to serious shooter FPS characters and anything in between. So you can look for the character that best suits your needs, and then once you've chosen the character, you can then choose the animation that you want to move your character with. So in Adobe Mixamo there are about 400 different options to choose from to animate your character with, so that should give you enough to go for a while. But if you do run out of ideas or you want extras, you can always check out actorcore.com. That's another repository of animations, but you do have to pay for those, although they only are a couple of dollars each, or in some cases $20-30 for a pack of lots of different movements. But Adobe Mixamo should really just start you off with the basics first. Once you've chosen your animation, the next thing you're going to want to do is click on download and choose the format as FBX binary. That's compatible with Blender, and then choose with skin to make sure that you get the character skin, and then change the frames per second to 24 if you're animating in 24 frames per second, which you probably are. Once you have the file downloaded, head on over to Blender. Then go to File, Import, and choose FBX. I'm going to change from wireframe view to render view. And as you can see, when I move the timeline, the character is walking forward. So that's exactly what I want. I need just a couple of seconds of a walk forward. So basically it's up to you to then play around with the camera and play around with the size of the character and the model. If you want to make it loop, you'll have to look at doing an F-curve for that. Hopefully this video gave you a nice introduction into using 3D models within Blender 2D environment, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks very much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with more content. Okay, take care, have a great day, bye bye.